Hello guys, it's Unders, and in today's video we're going to have a look at using the channel EQ in mid-side mode. This is a follow-on from my mixing EDM bass and making it really wide, and using the channel EQ in mid-side mode, just extend that away instead of using HEQ. So let's get into that video. Okay, so we're now obviously in Logic. Now, if you just want to learn how you can use mid-side EQ in Logic, great video is going to be helpful for you, but this really is specifically a follow-on from the mixing wide bass or mixing wide EDM bass video. So in that video, I use HEQ to remove the mids from an alternate channel, so that we've just got the sides left, allowing us to play around with the sides, adjust the volume, put effects on them without actually affecting the weight and mids of the bass. Now we can do it just using channel EQ. I use Waves HEQ because it's just a little cleaner to do it. But if you want to do it with channel EQ, we can. So I've just grabbed this super annoying loop that's in stereo because it's got lots of side. Wonderful. Now, to really achieve the same effect here, we need two channel EQs loaded. We don't need them to be gigantic either, but we'll still have two. We'll just duplicate that. So what we'll do, we'll have them in order here. So top one is the top one, bottom one is the bottom one. And what we need to do is change this top one so it is mid only, and change the second one so it is side only. What we're going to do from there is engage our high pass and our low pass filters, and we're going to max both of those guys out either way, and that's going to completely null the mid for us. So we've now just got the sides left. Now if you're listening in headphones, you might get the perception that you've got mids left. Trust me, you haven't. It is just sides in this instance. And I can prove that by doing the same thing on the sides and taking it all out. Now have absolutely nothing. We could bring the mid back in. Now we've just got the sides. So it's not as clean as using HEQ, just putting it in mid-side and dropping the fader down, but you can achieve the same thing. If you just wanted to gain a balance of the two, we can just use the overall gain control here and just dip it by, say, 10 dB in the mid-range. Yeah, so you can adjust that balance, but I find it best just use the high cut and low cut just to take everything away. So that's how we would do it without HEQ. I hope that was helpful for you. If it was, please bash a like on the video, and I will see you on the next one.